go to the activation instructions on Kingwin, it will redirect you over here to actually download Windows 10. I don't want to upgrade now. I want to create a USB DVD or ISO. So we want to, what do we do here? Read all this information and make sure you have what you need, and then you're going to download a tool, and that will help you to create your media. The media creation tool.exe. I'm just going to go ahead and open that, and oh god. Okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. And then this will pop you into this Windows 10 setup thing, and again, I'm not going to show you guys all of the gritty details for this, but basically take your USB drive and plug it into a USB port. Okay, so we'll definitely accept these license terms. Did I mention at the beginning when I was telling you guys what you needed for this that you do need another computer, a separate working computer to make this? Yeah, I probably should have mentioned that, but hopefully it goes without saying. Anyway, create installation media for another PC. Language, edition, architecture, sure. Yeah, we definitely want 64-bit. Don't go 32, go 64. Use recommended options. Okay, sure, yeah, recommended options, that's fine. We're doing it on a USB flash drive, so we'll hit next. We will select the flash drive, it's the only one connected, hit next again, and then it's going to go through the procedures for making the Windows 10 installation media. I'll let this go, and I'll be right back. Alright, we've hit 100%. USB flash drive is ready. It took maybe 15 to 20 minutes all told. That was to download and set up the USB drive, and that's going to depend based on your downloads, or vary based on your download speeds. I'm just going to hit finish, and which was nice. It went straight to the USB and then went to the Windows 10 installer. The Windows 10 installer will ask for that product key right up front. Fortunately, my new key worked just fine to move on with the installation process. On this next menu, I will always choose Custom Installation, and I like to delete any existing partitions off of the drive that I'm installing to. Now another 10 to 15 minute wait while files copy over, and then an automatic reboot. After that, I did go into the advanced setup procedures to pretty much turn off as much tracking stuff as I possibly could, and here's a things, and get rid of a lot of the Windows 10 spying stuff or just activity tracking and monitoring and that kind of thing. I will link his video in the... Anyway though, after another minute or two of final setup stuff, just like that, Windows 10 is installed. Since my main question here is whether or not this key will activate, I'm going to pull up the activation settings right away, and only now will I actually plug the activate if there is an internet connection. So without me doing anything, the message updated that Windows had activated as soon as the internet connection appeared. It looks like my